Hey action fans, KattyBoom here, professional troublemaker extraordinaire. Picture this, 35,000 feet up, chillin' in first class, when suddenly...
There's nowhere to run, little cat.
Oh great, my nemesis. Time for a first-class showdown. The big furball charges, shaking the whole plane. I'm zipping through the aisle while Mr. Grumpy Paws smashes everything. Then I spot it, an emergency exit and a parachute. Time for my grand escape.
What? No!
Better luck next time, furball. And that's how I pulled off the perfect escape. Me out of here.